Hi there, this is Chelsea from Enterprise. Welcome to today's episode of Adding Customer Details with Enterprise. In today's topic, we will cover adding customer details such as name, address, contacts, and text details. So let's get you started and then we can start invoicing. So let's get started on creating your first customer. Click onto Companies, Customers, Add New Customer. If you have already turned on Auto Create Customer Code, you wouldn't need to fill in the customer code field. So what the system will do is it will take the first three alphabets of the company name or customer name and creating that customer code for you. This is an example. So I'm creating customers. All I need to do is fill in the details, the basic details of the customer. For example, phone number, email address, if any, website. Select the currency that you are trading with this customer. Next, you would want to add the address and contact details of this customer. You can add multiple billing address as well as multiple shipping address. Once this is created, click Save. Next, we can also create multiple contact details. Click on Add, key in the name, and the system auto-populates the first name and last name. Once this is completed, click on Save. Now let's move on to the next tab under Finance and Taxes. Under Finance and Taxes, this is where you would assign payment terms as well as tax codes against all your customers. Under Payment Terms, this is where you would select the agreed terms with your customers, and this can be set up under Settings under Finance and Banking. Tax codes are required to add tax to your invoices. Thus, if you leave this blank here, Enterprise would use the system tax code that you have assigned to your items. Therefore, if your customer is tax exempted, please ensure to specify the correct tax here. Once this is done, click on Save. From this example of a newly created customer account, what I can view on his account is the account balance, any open transactions such as invoices, credit notes, incoming payments, as well as activities. Scrolling down the account, under the overview, we will be also seeing graphs such as account aging, 12-month revenue, as well as open transactions against the customer. From his account, I can also take a few actions, such as creating new activity against the customer and creating invoice against the customer. So I hope you know how to create a new customer in your Enterprise account. Thank you for watching. You might like to view on how to create your items on Enterprise in the next video. If you require any support assistance, you can reach out to help.enterprise.com or just pop on to support on chat. Thank you for watching once again.